this thing on. Welcome back Behind the Schemes. You are getting the first person POV for me, Jonathan. Unfortunately, Scotty was sick this weekend, so he's not going to be here today. So you're going to get to follow me around a little bit today. I've already gotten pretty lucky. We're not having a design meeting at 9, so we're going to skip that. We're going to jump right into fixing and repairing some parts. I have got a stack of repairs to get ready for Sun and Fun. That's coming up. So I've got a cowling split that I'm going to get painted and blended behind me. I've got a set of wingtips, and I have also got another airplane for Cray Ellis. His RV-10 is here for some touch-up repairs. So that's going to be my primary focus this morning. We're going to jump right in, get to work. It's going to be a great day. So hang in there with me. I'll show you a little bit about what I'm doing. We've got a meeting at 10. So I'm going to work for a little bit, try to get some primer on before 10 o'clock. Let that be drying, and then keep on keeping on. But anyways, welcome back Behind the Schemes. First person POV. There is no shortcut for this, everybody. This is just good old-fashioned elbow grease. What we're doing here is creating a nice mechanical bond to where we go back and clear coat this. The clear coat molecules have a place to hang out and lock in. Okay, alright, so we got to about 4 o'clock. I got my pearl put on those wingtips, and this is one of the parts that I kicked out of the paint booth today for Brad Klein's RV-10. And really, the intake here on the lower cowling had gone through the body process, and we didn't get that worked out and smoothed out. And yes, I know it's the inside of an intake, but this is Evoke Aviation, and we do not leave things unfinished. If it's within our control, we fix it and we make it right before we paint it. So what I'm doing right now is actually wipe the coat of filler inside this intake to try to smooth out some of the original work and kind of the custom intake. I guess it was just built out of composite. But anyways, I am working that out now. I am sanding this, and then I'm going to go ahead and push through today and try to get both this intake primed and the cowling split we were talking about earlier. So if I can just get all this stuff ready to prime, maybe a few minutes after 5, but ultimately want to make sure we get some good progress made on a Monday. So if we can get some primer drying overnight, that is definitely what we want to do. So I'm going to keep on keeping on, tape this up real quick, do a little sand and tape it up, get some primer on it, and then get some primer on those other cowlings, and we'll call it a good day here at Evoke. So let's get with it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, so it's Tuesday now, and luckily Scotty's back, so you guys don't have to do it with me. But I did get this intake done and primed last night, so finishing getting the base coat on this morning, and also got the cowlings primed and the wheel pans primed. So worked over a little bit last night, didn't do any more videoing, but here we are, Tuesday morning, making it happen.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Alright, so here's the deal. And every now and then you're going to get a little bit of paint or a little bit of something in your paint. Okay, close. Okay. The razor blade, alright. I'm going to steady my hand. Just through the face. Get the little piece. Out of the pan. Pan out.
So even the racks are Evoke made.
Yeah. In fact, almost all the racks here I've made.
Are you ready? Are you ready for your moment in the spotlight, Chris?
I'm ready.
Why doesn't he act this professional when he's talking to me?
He's scared.
What's up, guys? Midweek check-in. We got the RV10 out of the booth. Thank goodness we got it cleared, ready to go. Absolutely beautiful. And we've got Bruce Lane's RV10 in the booth, and we are hammering down to get that project ready for Sun and Fun. We've got a couple of other projects here that need a little bit of touch-up before the show. So you guys know that we're in the Sun and Fun push to get ready for that. And we were really excited that One-Legged Aviation came by and visited with us yesterday. We got to spend a few hours touring the shop and showing them a little bit about what we do. So be sure to go check out that video too. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to it. We got a lot to do and a little bit of time to do it. So let's hit it.
I love gold.
Welcome, Scotty, welcome. I just saw you were passing through. I wanted to show all the viewers out there something a little cool, a little tip and trick that we use here. So when you're going to sand something that is a rounded surface like a wheel pant or fairing or cowling or something like that, that's not a completely flat surface, it can be quite difficult to sand that with a dual action sander with just the standard kind of foam pad on there, because it's a little too hard. So your surface area touching the surface is very small, so you can get like these sharp lines in it, and it becomes very easy to sand that thing and put some grooves in it. So I've got this, we call it a intermediate pad. So this pad right here, foam, very soft. And so what I'm gonna do is put that on my sander like so, make sure it's nice and even and straight. Then we're gonna put this piece of sandpaper, same thing here. You wanna try to put it on here nice and straight. Straight enough. And so now we can push on this and it gives us a little more surface area touching. And anyways, it's called an intermediate pad. Let me show you how it works real quick. How the paper kind of conforms around there a lot easier than having a very solid foam piece. Just one of them things that makes your life a little bit easier that you guys at home need to know. You're welcome.
Hey, Jonathan! The weirdest thing happened earlier. I was actually drinking this for my breakfast, and all of a sudden I had a premonition, a voice in my head, a voice of the monster man himself, Chris Welvert, who had not just a premonition, but a question of the week.
Oh, a question of the week.
Yes. And Chris simply wants to know, what products and what techniques do we use, or would you use, to take care of an Evoke masterpiece after you bring it home to make sure it maintains its status as a masterpiece?
Such a good question, Chris. It just so happens that I'm here maintaining one of our beautiful paint jobs. And really, number one, just keep your plane clean. When you get done flying it, go ahead and wipe the bugs off of it. That's number one. Number two is we actually have a product line that we made specifically for taking care of the Signature Series airplanes. What I have done here is we've got an airplane that has some bugs on it. They look like they came They were put on here last summer, so they're on here pretty good, pretty baked into the paint. So the bug remover, what you want to do is just let it do the work. I sprayed a little bit of that on there, and we're just gonna let that soak. We're gonna leave that for just a little bit. If it's hot, you don't wanna leave that on there for too long because you don't want it to dry out. But it's nice and chilly today, so we're just gonna leave that on there. It's not gonna be a problem at all. We got more than just bug remover. We've got your everyday cleaners. So we've got your quick clean. This is kind of quick detail spray. So this is for your everyday cleanup. This is when you go to Oshkosh and Sun and Fun, you got a layer of dirt and film and grime on your plane. So you want to spritz this on there first, kind of knock off the dust and that sort of thing. So when you're not flying and you just want to maintain your plane in the hangar, this is going to be the stuff that you're going to use. 2 towels, always get new ones. Buy them in bulk, trust me. Next product up, we've got the Speed Wax, which is exactly what it is named. It is a speed wax that goes over the surface, and this is more of a, it's not a paste wax. This is like a, you know, monthly, bi-monthly maintainer. This just makes the plane a lot easier to clean. So we're just gonna let this sit for a minute. It doesn't have to sit for long. And then we're gonna come back with a dry towel and buff this out. And the last thing.
But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more. We have one more product specifically made for plexiglass windows and avionics. So this is avionics safe, static safe. You can use this on your plexi, anything basically in the interior it's been tested on. So this is our signature series glass cleaner. It's awesome. That's it. I'm out of here.
And that was the question of the week.
Huzzah! Clean your planes. Whoa, whoa! Didn't see you guys there, just hanging out in my box. Thank you for watching. We had a great week here at Evoke. We got the 10 out of the booth, thank goodness. We got the PC9, we're gonna be clearing it today. And then we've got a lot of color on Bruce Lane's RV10. We are getting ready for Sun and Fun. We have got the pedal to the metal. Like, subscribe, see if we just make it. See if we survive and make it to Sun and Fun. We'll see you next week. Thank you guys, we'll see you. Beam me up, Scotty!
Oh no.
Might be a litter of puppies.
Oh!